took a flight for the paddock. You said, babe, you're so dramatic, I can't. Anything you want, boy, forget it. You just make me feel I took a chance and you grabbed it. You said, don't worry.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel or welcome back. My name is Kelsea Rae and thank y'all so much for clicking this video. So let's jump right in. This is my weekly / bi-weekly wash day routine. So this is something that I do on a weekly basis and sometimes on a bi-weekly basis, just depending on life, okay? So to start off, I am just soaking my hair in water. My hair isn't too dirty, but like I said, it's a bi-weekly or weekly thing. And y'all, I've been able to see like some length come in and like my hair grow because I am simply washing and shampooing and conditioning my hair weekly. And I know we are like those, oh, keep your hair dirty for a month type of group, but it kind of works and I like it. So I'm starting off with my Aussie Moist shampoo. And yes, I'm still with Aussie Moist. She just gets the job done. Like I said, this is a weekly thing, so she is definitely affordable and I can use as much as product as I want without feeling like, oh, I'm gonna run out of product soon. So that is why I still use my Aussie Moist. And like I said, she cleans my hair very well. It's not strippy and it's not that nasty feeling. It's a softer feeling and I just enjoy using this product. So yes, I am using my Aussie Moist and I'm going to start from the roots and work my way down. I am going to always go in a downward motion because I don't want to further clump or nap up my hair or tangle my hair. I want to keep the tangles at bay and at a minimum, if that makes sense. So go down in a downward motion. Do not do this whatsoever because that's just going to cause more tangles and knots for no reason. So just go down your hair shaft to like begin to stroke that hair shaft to where it's like, okay, I'm going down versus sticking up and going crazy. So make sure you scrub your hair and make sure you are separating just to get like the back and the front, especially if you have like a thicker grade of hair. You want to make sure you are, you know, penetrating that shampoo all over and not just on the roots or the ends or anything like that. So once you've done that, you can go in and rinse your hair out. This is so satisfying. I don't know why, but I enjoy looking at it. But y'all, check my hair out. You can't tell me my hair not growing. My hair's so long, it can't even fit in the frame. Like, it's so long down my back that you don't even see where it stopped at. Let me stop playing. But yes, my hair has been growing and I've definitely seen a lot of length after cutting a lot of my blind ends off, but also doing this routine, and I'm enjoying the process of it. I will be trying to cut the rest of the blind ends off because it's only a few left. And yeah, let me know if y'all want to see me get my hair cut. My mama probably gonna cut it and it's not gonna be nothing crazy or professional, but yeah, let me know in the comments below. So moving on, I am using my Shea Moisture Intense Hydration Leave-In Conditioner. My main conditioner / deep conditioner will be my Olaplex, but that's just because I've been having Olaplex for about 2 years now, and yeah, so I'm using this in conjunction with that because I am running out. You don't have to use both. You can literally use one. You can literally also just use any type of conditioner and that can act as your deep conditioner. Long as you're letting it sit and using a lot of water to help your hair absorb that conditioner, you're fine and you don't have to spend a lot of money on a hair mask or a deep conditioner. A regular conditioner can act as your hair mask. So definitely try that out, and I love doing it this way. I like to separate my hair into subsections and I like to go in and make sure I apply that to the roots of my hair because that is where my hair is growing out from. But I also like to focus it on my ends as well. Once I detangle my hair, I like to make sure the whole hair and the whole subsection is submerged in water and conditioner. And that's the key thing, is water, because your hair needs the water to help open up those pores and absorb anything. So make sure your hair is wet. I am detangling my hair with my fingers first, and then I'm going to go in with my Olaplex conditioner, and I'm going to add that to my hair as well. And as you see, my hair is still puffy because it's either not enough product or not enough water, and that's okay with me at the moment because I am going to go in and detangle, which you see me doing here. And you don't want to waste product on the floor, so you gotta just put enough of product in your hair to detangle your hair first, and then after we're finished that, then we'll go back and saturate each subsection to make sure my hair has enough of conditioner and water to absorb. Now I'm going in with my Ozzy conditioner. Like I said, you don't have to do all of this. I'm just doing it because I don't have as much conditioner of my favorite one as possible. So I'm improvising. So now you see my hair is clumping together, and that is what I'm looking for. I'm basing this off of a feeling and not how much of product I see or use. Put that aside and work on the rest of my hair. So you're gonna do water first, and then you're gonna apply your conditioner. That is the main thing, is water. You want your hair to be soaking wet when applying this conditioner to your hair so that your hair can absorb it. Get you a bag and let that sit for however long you want, 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, it's up to you. After I let that sit for a while, this is what my hair looks like, and it feels amazing. So now I'm just going to rinse that out, and this is what my hair looks like fully rinsed. And y'all, the curls are curling. My hair looks beautiful, healthy, happy. I just love the way my hair looks and feel, you guys. Like, this is why I do this every week, because it just looks so good. Once I get my blind ends cut, like, I just can't wait. Like, it's gonna look so good. So let me know, like I said, down in the comments below, if you want to see me get my hair flat iron. It's not gonna be nothing crazy professional and also like whatever. My mama gonna cut my hair. Do y'all want to see it or not? And so yes, y'all, this is what my hair looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's not much to it, especially because you're doing this weekly and you kind of want to be able to keep up with this, so you don't want to do too much and then get burnt out. Yes, y'all, this is the end of my weekly wash day routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to share this video. And let me know in the comments down below, are you a weekly, bi-weekly, or a monthly wash day kind of girl? I'd love to know, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you. Bye.